Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable dual connection for the headphones Sony Link Buds. So, as you can see, I have connected my Sony for my first device. Then open the application, scroll down, click device settings, system, and make sure that you're enable connected to devices right here. After that, put your headphones to the charging case and press and hold a connectional button for at least 3 seconds to enter pairing mode. If you can't enter here, just close the case and then open it again. Now press and hold it. As you can hear, this light is blinking, so it means that it's entering to pairing mode. So click pair new device and click on the headphones. Pair. And right now click on the headphones on your first device, on the list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!